Hi friends, this video shows how to allow install apps from unknown source. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select apps, tap here. Go down, tap on special app access, tap here. Go down, go to install unknown apps, tap here. Here you can see list of apps. From this list we can select one app, then we can allow that app to install Android APK file from unknown source. For example, let me select this Google Chrome browser, then enable, tap here, done. So now I have allowed Google Chrome browser to download and install Android APK file from unknown source. We can set same permission to other apps in the list. For example, let me select files by Google, then we can enable. Later if you want to disable, again come here, then select for example Google Chrome browser, then tap here and we can disable. So this way we can allow install apps from unknown sources. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.